Introducing the Tafe 6515, four-wheel drive tractor, built for the Western Cape. Tested in local conditions across the Western Cape's orchards and vineyards, the Tafe 6515 is designed for performance, reliability, and versatility. Now featuring an independent hydraulic PTO clutch, this powerhouse delivers 5 spray speeds from its 12-speed gearbox, making it an exceptional spray tractor. With a 2-ton lifting capacity, the 3-point unit easily handles heavy-duty equipment like large mulches. Built for tough terrain, the 6515's low center of gravity and four-wheel drive capability make it the ideal choice for operating on terraces and slopes. Cost-effective and fuel-efficient, the 6515 offers competitive pricing, affordable spares, and excellent fuel consumption, making it a smart investment for any farm. Now available with an air-conditioned cab, ensuring comfort even in the hottest conditions. Backed by a Carper agricultural equipment, proudly serving Stellenbosch and the Overberg region.